The nervous system. The nervous system is like your body's internet, but way faster and, usually, without buffering. Your brain is the central command. It sends messages through the spinal cord and nerves to control movement, sensation, and thoughts. Whether you're cramming for your exams, remembering your passwords, or freaking out about a text, the nervous system is involved in all those decisions. The messenger between brain and sense organ is an electrical charge transfer called nerve impulse. Nerve impulses can travel over 250 miles per hour, faster than a Formula One race car. The endocrine system. The endocrine system is your body's chemical messenger network. Unlike the nervous system, which is fast and electric, the endocrine system works more like slow but powerful mail, sending out hormones that tell your body what to do over minutes, hours, or even years. Glands like the thyroid, pituitary, and adrenals release hormones, tiny molecules that control big things like growth, metabolism, mood, and even love. Without it, your body would basically be a chaotic mess. Yep, the butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous or in love. Thank hormones. The musculoskeletal system. The musculoskeletal system shields your squishy vital organs, without which you'd be a sloppy blob on the floor. The bones give you a shape and framework, and the muscles help you with movement. There are joints between two adjacent bones that help you to bend. The hollow cavity of long bones contain bone marrow that synthesizes blood cells and also stores minerals. So next time you see a skeleton, remember that they're multitaskers and not just some Halloween decorations. The digestive system. Let's see how your body turns double cheeseburger into body fuel. The digestive system has a messy business of breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and sending leftovers to the exit ramp. From your mouth and esophagus to your stomach and intestines, it's basically a long, twisty tube running through you. Along the way, helpers like the liver and pancreas pitch in with digestive juices and enzymes. Remember, you are not what you eat. You're what your body absorbs. The urinary system. Kidneys are the primary organ of urinary system. They're a pair of bean-shaped organs that acts like a high-tech coffee filters, clearing up about 50 gallons of blood every single day. The waste separated from filtered blood comes out as urine. The waste is temporarily collected in urinary bladder, where, let's be honest, you've probably held it in longer than you should during long road trips. The immune system. If you consider your body as a country, your immune system is the army force of all your body organs. It's basically the Avengers of your human body universe, HBU. White blood cells patrol every corner of your body looking for uninvited invaders like viruses and bacteria. While you're watching this, your body is making new immune cells every single minute. The circulatory system, also known as cardiovascular system, the circulatory system not only transports nutrients and oxygen to all corners of the body, but also carries away carbon dioxide and other body waste. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. Heart is a high-pressure pump that pumps the blood with a pressure sufficient enough to all body parts and sucks it back to complete the cycle. Blood is like a vehicle that transports the nutrients and fresh oxygen to all the organs and brings all the metabolic waste on its way back. Think of it like Uber Eats and garbage collection, all at once. Blood vessels are one-way road that transport blood to the organs. One side pathway that carries fresh blood is called artery, and the other side pathway that carries deoxygenated blood is called vein. The lymphatic system is the drainage system of the human body. The system drains out excessive fluids away from the spaces between the cells into the bloodstream using lymph vessels and lymph duct. The lymphatic system also circulates white blood cells and antibodies that helps recognize and fight bacteria and viruses. The respiratory system. The respiratory system carries out the ventilation of human body by a process called breathing. The most important organ of this system is lungs, which is a pair of squishy sponge that soaks fresh air and expels out the waste air. Every time you inhale, your lungs pull in oxygen from fresh surroundings, which then reaches your tissues by blood cells. Quick experiment. Take a deep breath right now. Notice how you feel a little calm. That's your respiratory system flexing its magic. The reproductive system. Last but not least, the reproductive system. The one responsible for making more humans. The one everyone knows about but tends to giggle over. It's a beautifully complex system that lets organisms pass on their genes and ensure the survival of the species. But here's the thing. The reproductive system isn't just about reproduction. Hormones from these organs affect everything. Mood swings, skin health, energy, even brain chemistry. It's part of our bonding and social behavior, which is kind of fascinating when you think about it. So next time you hear reproductive system, remember, it's not just about babies. It's about hormones, health, identity, and evolution.